Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Set chart background to #0B1B2B for contrast. Start by choosing a dark theme and reduce clutter. Hide the watch list and news panels you do not use. Use a dark theme with grid opacity 10% and axis labels at 12px. Arrange panels in a 16:9 ratio for the main chart and a narrow strip for indicators. Enable only one price scale and lock it to avoid accidental moves. Save this as a layout named Clean Dark so you can recall it in seconds. Set bullish candles to #26A69A and bearish to #F5350 with border width 1. Adjust wick width to 1 and body gap to 0. 6 pixels so candles remain crisp at 100% zoom. Use font size 13 for axes and 11 for legends for readability across screens. Reduce moving average line widths to 2 and volume histogram width to 6 for visual hierarchy. Turn off hollow candles and disable the ask line. This keeps the chart clean and easier to interpret in live sessions. Limit indicators to 3 per pane and prefer lightweight scripts under 1000 bytes to keep load times fast. Use native indicators like EMA8, EMA21, and a volume profile to reduce repaint risk. Save templates named MA3vol or price only for quick switching between setups. When exporting screens, choose 1920x1080 with padding 20px and include the price scale for sharing. Finally, set hotkeys for layout switching and create a backup of your chart layout in the cloud to preserve your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.